Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the search bar is crashing or not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if it's just crashing when you're trying to open it up and run different programs or applications, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Run a New Task up at the top, you want to left click on that button, type in services.msc, exactly you see it on my screen, and check mark where it says create this task with administrative privileges. Select OK. Now you want to locate Windows Search and double click on it. You want to stop the service and then start it back up. And you can set startup type to automatic as well, and then select apply and OK. Attempt to relaunch the start menu and then conduct a search or a sample search and see if that has resolved the problem. If not, something else we can try here as well. Back in the task manager, we're going to go back and select run new task. Type in CMD this time. And once again, check mark the box, create this task with administrative privileges. Select OK. You can close out of the task manager at this time. So I'm going to have a couple of commands in the description of my video. First one is a DISM scan. So go ahead and copy that. And then go up the top bar of the command line window here, right click on it, select edit and paste that in. Hit enter to begin that scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that command has finished, go ahead and run the second command in the description of my video. This is the system file checker utility scan. Let's go ahead and paste that in and run it. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. So hopefully at this point, if you try and do or conduct searches in the search menu, you should be good to go. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.